Good morning students. Today we are discussing about the mechanism of sex determination in the human being. First of all, what is sex determination? What is sex determination? The mechanism by which the sex of an individual is determined as it begins life is called sex determination. As the organism began its life, or you can say during embryonic stage, the process by which we can determine the sex of an organism is called sex determination. The sex determination is done by two factors, or you can say two methods. By two methods. First is genetic or chromosomal determination of sex, and second, role of environmental factors in sex determination. Now we are discussing about the chromosomal mechanism of sex determinations in animals or in human being. Sex determination in human being. Human is a diploid organism. The chromosomes of the human being or diploid organism are represented by 2n. Means in human being total 46 chromosomes. 46 chromosomes are present. Or you can say 23 pair of chromosomes are present in human being. These chromosomes or 23 pair of chromosomes are of two types. 22 pair and you can say 44 chromosomes are known as autosomes, and one pair, or you can say two chromosomes are called sex chromosomes. The autosomes are the chromosomes which are present in somatic cells and body, and control the somatic character, and these chromosomes control the somatic character. And the sex chromosomes are the chromosomes which help in sex determination, and are present in germinal cells. These chromosomes present in germinal cells or in gamete cells, in male as well as in female. Sex chromosomes in male and fruit fly, or you can say in in human. Fruit fly are of two types, and the other name of fruit fly is Drosophila. Drosophila. X chromosome and a Y chromosome. If we take male, in male both X and Y sex chromosomes are present. X chromosome and Y sex chromosome are two types of chromosomes which are present in the male, and so these chromosomes are not similar, different in shape, size, so these are also known as heteromorphic chromosomes. Heteromorphic chromosome. And the male is known as heterogametic male. Heterogametic male. If we take the female, in female the sex chromosome are both sex chromosome are same, X and X. So these chromosomes are similar in shape, so are called homomorphic chromosomes. And the female is known as a homogametic. Female is known as homogametic. In human being, the sex of child is determined at the time of fertilization when male and female gametes have to form a zygote. In male and female, when the gametes combined and form the zygote in human being, then after the zygotic development, and the sex of the newborn baby is determined with the help of sex chromosomes. And how it is determined, we will discuss. In human being, in male, 44 autosomes plus 2 sex chromosomes X and Y are present, as well as in female 44 autosomes plus 2 X and X sex chromosomes are present. During gamete formation in male, or you can say in male, two types of sperms are produced. One having 22 autosome plus X chromosome, and other having 22 autosome plus a Y sex chromosome. But in female, both gametes are same, both having 22 autosome plus X chromosome, 22 autosome plus a X chromosome. When the male gamete sperm having X chromosome fused with female gamete, then 44 autosome plus XX chromosome, this individual is formed. If the same gamete having X chromosome fused with other female gamete, 44 plus XX chromosomes, this type of individual is formed. Similar, if the male gamete having Y chromosome fused with this female gamete, it forms 44 autosomes plus X and a Y gamete, sex chromosome. Similar, this gamete fused with this and form the 44 autosome plus X and a Y organism. This combined with this and form this organism. In this way, you can say in F1 generations in male, 4 types of gametes are formed. 2 are having XX chromosome and 2 having X and Y and X and a Y chromosome. So you can say 50% are male and 50% progeny are a female. If the individual is formed by X sperm containing with ovum, then it will be female. And if the organism is formed by the fusion of sperm having Y chromosome with X containing ovum, that it will be male. And the mechanism of the sex determination in human being is known as XY mechanism. So in human being there are 50% of chances of a female child and 50% chances are of a male child. And this mechanism is present in human being for sex determination. The same mechanism is present in Drosophila, fruit fly, for the sex determination. This is homomorphic chromosomes present in female, and this represents the heteromorphic condition present in the male.